Bedding. Bedding consists of sand, cement and lime. It's a mixture that will be used as a foundation to support and secure the ridge caps of your roof. We only use modern techniques, such as bedding frames, which guarantee to keep the ridges straight with no bends or dips. This will ensure that your roof will always look sharp. Our roofing section only uses tradespeople that are established, tried and tested, and of course, proven. We have no high-pressure salespeople with commissions and monthly budgets to obtain, saving you lots of money. It's the way it should be.